Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi to everybody. We meet again. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss self-practice 5.1b. Okay, for the first question, state two differences between directed graph and undirected graph. Okay, so before that, okay, we are going to recap back what is directed graph before this simple graph, right? Okay, so if we have graph like this, okay, I have A, B, and C, and all are connected with the edges given here. Okay, so this is simple graph. When the graph, okay, when the graph is not given any direction, so this is undirected graph. But when that given arrow like this is direct direction, for example like this, so it became directed graph. Okay, so for directed graph, okay, every edge mark with direct direction. So we know that for the directed graph, okay, every edge, okay, we mark with direct direction. Before that, I mentioned about no direction, right? So that one is undirected graph. Okay, the second differences, okay, for a simple graph, previously I just write down like this. Okay, for this one, if I want to write down the order of the vertices, I can write down this one. If I can write down this one, A, B for the edge here, or B, A, because there are no direction. Also this one, BC, or I can write down CB. Same like here, AC, or I can write down CA. Okay, but for the directed graph, when we want to name the order, we cannot simply. So this one, if you look here, this one, A, from A is our initial, right? So A to B. This one, C to A. Why? If you look the arrow, okay, from C, okay, the initial is C, okay. This one, the initial is B, so normal like this. You cannot write down CB like an undirected graph. So the second differences is the order of vertices is written according to what? Yes, according to direction. Okay, there are two differences between directed graph and undirected graph. Okay, so we'll go to second question. What is the meaning of weight in a weighted graph? Okay, what is a weighted graph? Okay, so we recap back. If I have from town A to town B to town C to town D, for example. Okay, so I know that A to B is 5 kilometer, B to C is 4 kilometer, and C to D is 6 kilometer. Meanwhile, from A to D I have here is only 3 kilometer. So if I want the shortest route from town A to town D, so I just write down A to D only. So I just 3 kilometer. If I want to write down from A must go through town B and then go to town C, and then I reach town D, so I have to make it a 5 kilometer plus 4 kilometer plus 6 kilometer, and then I know that I reach down is 15 kilometer. This is weighted graph. What is weighted graph? There are value given here over here. Okay, they are value between the age. So what is the meaning of weight? This is the meaning of weight over here. Okay, they are given value or information. Okay, information between our ages. Okay, that one is our, what is the meaning of weight? Okay, that's our answer. Okay, number 3. Draw a directed graph. Okay, directed graph based on the given information. Okay, we have our vertices P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Okay, before we draw, okay, look at the age given, because this is directed, so I must write down first, okay, the connection between the vertices. Okay, first of all, I start with P there. Okay, given here PQ, so P to Q, and then Q I connected to R. Okay, QR here, QS. Okay, Q connected to S, and then S connected to P there. Okay, so I must write down S is close to P also, and S also close to R. Okay, S to R, S to T. Okay, and also U to T, U to T. Okay, this one, not connected. Not connected to any edges. We just draw our edges, vertices V only, without connected or without any edge to our other vertices. Okay, so now we want to draw. So we start with P first. Okay, I start with P, and then if you look here, P is connected between Q and S, so I put here Q and I put here our S. Okay, and then this is my wait, R. Okay, never mind, this is my R, and S is connected to T, right? Okay, S connected to T, so I put here T and U, because U with T, and V also over here. Okay, so P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Okay, so now I want to draw the edges. Okay, so PQ, so just write down here PQ first, and then don't forget our direction, PQ, and then QR, QR. Okay, then my direction, QS, Q to S. Okay, also this is QS, and then don't forget the direction, QS, and then SP, SP, my hometown, SP, Sungai Petani, SP. So over here is direction, SR, SR. Okay, S to R over here. Okay, my direction SR, S to T, ST, ST. Okay, ST, oops, ST. Okay, and then UT, UT. Oops, oops. Okay, U and T over here. So this one is our directed. Okay, this is directed graph, our directed graph. Okay, oh, you want to draw the other diagram, or means that maybe like this, or you want to draw, okay, never mind, you want to put here P, so here is S, this is Q, this is our R, this is our T, and you can put here U. Also the same, also the same. P, Q, okay, this one, and then Q, R, okay, over here, and then Q, S, okay, the same, okay, S, R, okay, S, T, oh sorry, SP first, SP, and then SR, ST, UT. That's okay. Don't forget our V. Maybe V I put here. Okay, V is not connected to any edges. Okay, that's number 3A. Okay, 3B. Okay, this is for the question 3B. Okay, sorry for the ruler over here. I just put here first. Okay. So there is a loop at a vertex Q and a loop at vertex S. QS is a multiple H. Okay, so we have here, oh, there are 4 vertices only. They are not connected to our number 3A. Okay, because this one given P, Q, R, S. Okay, I just put here, I draw here P, and then draw Q, and then R over here, and S. Okay, so given here, there is a loop vertex Q. Okay, I just draw my loop over here at Q, and one more is at S. Okay, a loop. And QS is multiple H. Okay, so I have my multiple H over here. Okay, that one number 1, B1 and B2 done already. This one is, be careful. Okay, what does it mean by D in? Means that for our vertex P, the direction is not coming into P. Okay, and out from P is 2, means that direction is 2 from P, out from P. Okay, means that I have to draw my edges first. Okay, so this is PQ first. Okay, I have my PQ. Okay, and then I have my PS. Okay, and then SR. I draw this one, the edges first. Okay, and then QR, initial for all my daughter and son. QR. Okay, so P is none, in. Okay, so means the direction from P is out only here. Okay, out only. There are none for in, so out from P. Okay, like that. Same with our R also here. Okay, R only out, so means out from R. That one is our direction first. Okay, next. Okay, before that, okay, loops. Okay, when we mention about loops, remember that for loops, okay, for in we have 1, for out also we have 1. Remember back, right? From the example we have discussed from the previous video. Okay, so for here, D in Q is 4, means that the direction that into Q is 4. So we have already this one from P to Q. Okay, 1 from R to Q. So we have PQ. Okay, for in R to Q. Okay, so here I can put here in. Okay, from S to Q. Okay, into Q, and one more, our loops is Q. That one also we counted as D in for Q. Okay, directed at in. Okay, so for out is 2. Okay, for out is 2 means that out means from P cannot, R also cannot, so we have one option only here, means that from Q to S. Okay, direction there, and then we have our loops Q. Okay, next for our S. Okay, for our S, if you look for our S here, go for in first. So in from S, so we have PS, and then RS, and then QS. Okay, there, the multiple H over here, Q to S over here, and then remember that there are loops, right? So we have SS. So out from S we have 2, means that out start with S, so SQ, and one more is SS. Okay, that one counted in our loops. Okay, this is how we draw our directed graph. Okay, they are involved loops and multiple edges. Okay, depends on the question given over here. Okay, next, number 4. Based on the information in table 1 and table 2, complete the weighted and undirected graph. Weighted and undirected graph. Complete the weighted and undirected graph. I think this one, incomplete graph thing. Right, yeah. Undirected graph here. Okay, there are none not complete. So, okay. So I have to draw this one first. Okay, so means B, right? So I have to draw in between lah. So easy for us. Okay, never mind. Then I drag that. Okay, KP first. From KP is what? Follow P lah. Oh, nagoi. Okay, to J. KP to J. Okay, and then J is Juase to Bahau. Okay, Juase to Bahau. Okay, this one given our incomplete graph. Okay, this one also not complete the weighted and undirected graph. Okay. Okay, so I have to draw this one first. Okay, vertex pair. Okay, so next I have to draw according to vertex pair given here. So JB is 11.6. Okay, over here is 11.6. KP to R is Rompin, is 40. This one is the longest distance. Okay, so KP to J I put here is our J pula R Rompin. Okay, Rompin. Okay, I put here lah Rompin. My R over here, so I have to draw my edges over here from KP to R. This is how many kilometer? 40. So this one is 40. And then B to R. So I have to draw this one. B to R. The edges given here between the vertex. Okay. Oops. Okay, B to R. This is 20.7 kilometer. Okay, then B to BK. Batu Kike. Where is BK? Oh, okay. If you look here carefully, BK is connected between B and J. B is Bahau, J is Juase. So we already have Juase and Bahau over here. So means that our BK, which is Batu Kike, is up here. Okay, Batu Kike. Okay, and then I connected the vertex. Okay, the edges here. No, one is BBK, right? Okay, I put BBK first. Okay, BBK. This is 11.4, and then BK to J is 6.6. Lastly, KP to J over here 9.3. Okay, done already. Okay, check back. Okay, JB 11.6, KPR 40 done, B to R 20.7, 11.4, B to BK, BK to J is 6.6, KP to J is 9.3, done already. Okay, complete the weighted. Okay, that one given, and undirected graph. Okay, there are no not given this one. Okay, so we go to B. Okay, so I have to drag this one first. Wait, yeah. All together. I want to take to our questions B. Okay, we look at the questions over here. Okay, we have our Mr. Benny. Okay, so Mr. Benny and Mr. Murugesh drive individually from Kuala Pilah to Rompin. Okay, so means that Kuala Pilah to Rompin, such that Mr. Benny used the shortest route. We don't know yet which one is shortest route. And number 2, Mr. Murugesh take the route which pass through Juase and Bahau. Means that from Kuala Pilah to Juase to Bahau to Rompin. There. Okay, calculate. Okay, so first of all, Kuala Pilah to Rompin over here is 40 km. KP to J is 9.3. J to B is 11.6. B to R is 20.7. So I have to sum all the distance here. Okay, so I have this one, no need, right? Okay, ruler. Okay, so I have this one, 9.3 plus 11.6 plus 20.7, 41.6 kilometer. So we know that this is our friend's Benny, and then this is Mr. Murugesh. Calculate the difference in distance in kilometer for the journeys taken by Mr. Benny over here and Mr. Murugesh from Kuala Pilah to Rompin. So I want to take to find the difference. So 41.6 minus 40. So I have my answer is yes, 1.6 kilometer. Okay, so that's it. Our discussion regarding our self-practice 5.1b. I hope that all of you can understand what have we discussed about, okay, according to self-practice 5.1b. So I hope don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, and you can share to your friends. I'm sorry because my English, I'm trying to do my best, okay, because my English is not very good, okay, but I try my best. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, we meet again next video, I hope. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and bye.